As in, if you work for investment bank, there are things that you learn which you can't really.
Well, traditionally, the argument was the professionals see the order flow in the market, therefore they have an information advantage. Well, I can tell you, when you're sitting at an investment bank on a trading desk, internally, they think everybody else has the advantage. Because what they're doing is trading with, hedge funds. The hedge funds are coming in, and the market makers and the traders are taking the risk that the hedge funds are giving them. So they're using the bank's balance sheet to make prices to hedge funds. Now, a lot of hedge funds in the past have been what you describe as hot money. So they come in and they know something that you didn't know, and they take you out in a stock, and you'd be short, and they'd be long. And then the stock would move 10, 20% against you. At investment banks, traditionally the argument was from the outside, from the retail trader, and even from the hedge fund industry, well, they've got the order flow, so they know whether a stock's going down or whether a stock's going up, or an asset, yeah? Whereas the guys at investment banks think the information advantage is outside at the hedge funds because they speak to everybody, okay? No longer the case at the investment banks, really, in terms of order flow, because now everything's put in a machine. So, in the old days, you used to be able to take an order in a stock, and a lot of people would use the order to bully the stock around, push it to levels that they wanted it to go to. It just doesn't happen anymore. Everything goes in a machine, and then you've got other liquidity pools, like the dark pools, where people can trade without seeing counterparty, without knowing what level they're trading at until they get the execution, et cetera, et cetera. What's great about the internet is, honestly, now I came out the professional side, and I've done 4 years of trading with my own money again. What's great about the internet is all the information is actually there. You can actually get it all for very cheap cost or free. But what's more important is actually knowing how to interpret that information and turn it into real hard dollars. So that's probably the most important thing.